How to add contact in WhatsApp business account. Adding contacts to WhatsApp business account is a very simple process. Firstly, open the default contacts app on your device. Here you will see all the contacts that are saved on your device. Now you can do this from other processes also, but this one is the easiest. Here at the top right corner, you will see a plus icon. Click on that to add new contact. Create a new account by adding the name and phone number. Once you have saved the phone number on your contacts, now you will need to open WhatsApp on your device. Navigate to the WhatsApp business app and open it. In WhatsApp, at the bottom right corner, you will see a plus icon. Click on that to add new contact. Here you will see new contacts. You can simply click on that and create a new contact. But as we have already saved the contact in our phone, you can simply search for the name. In the search bar, you can search for the name that you just saved in your contacts. And now the name will show up and you just need to message. That's all for today. Thank you.